down the Leicestershire lanes. Welcome back to Lucy Sturgis Cycling. I'm on home roads. I'm wearing club kit and I'm riding over today to a local bike race, the Marston Mega Cross, and I've got quite a few teammates riding, so we'll be seeing more of the purple kit very soon, and I'll be live reporting from there, so stay tuned, sports fans. Thank you. Morning. Road bike on grass. So I can see in the distance the gazebo being put up. Here we go.
Turn that thing off. Come on,
the
Al.
annual thing of
there you go.
the
What's your
club
problem?
gazebo.
Oh, sorry.
Right.
It's got an extra hole.
Looking good.
So how are you feeling about the race?
Oh, how am I feeling about the race? I don't know. I don't know.
And what preparation have you been doing?
Oh, I had some carb loading last night, scampi and chips, and some recovery drinks. I think it was Sauvignon Blanc, I believe. Which is, you know, let's hope it does the trick.
And here we have Natalie, another top rider. What preparation have you been doing for this race?
Top rider. Well, I went to a barbecue and
somewhere
had
in the woods.
probably 8 bottles of beer from Madry and Budweiser. So I feel on top form today.
Guys, we are such a serious cycling club.
I'll show you my injuries, but yeah, I think it'd be. I don't know. You'd have to be an adult to sign in or something. Like, yeah.
So Johnny was doing paintball for his race preparation.
I'm not doing this today.
So lots of preparation going on here for the race, packing kit, getting on bikes. Yeah, all good. So it's just a bit of a warm-up recce lap at the moment.
Missing it. Oh.
Well, I'm all right.
Yeah, because you came on.
I've got knocked about by COVID 3 months ago.
The mechanics are here. Woo! The mechanic is also hungover.
Yes.
God, guys, come on.
Hey, I've got to keep standards up.
Yeah, you do. You do.
Yeah, it's consistency between the whole group. If everybody's hungover, it's equal playing field.
Were you mechanic at this event before, Jack?
Yes, I was. Yeah.
Did you have to do much?
Last year it was fixing bikes mainly before the race.
Before?
Yeah.
Have you had any fixing?
I did Mark's other one. I don't think anybody's had one. Well, Paul's bike was basically completely rebuilt, wasn't it?
Yes, it's now bionic.
What, today?
No, like when he brought it, it was.
It's not that good.
There wasn't much, but
It's been convalescing.
Yeah. But when I had it, by the time I'd done, there wasn't much left of the bike he brought. Was there, Paul?
How are you feeling ahead of this race?
Excited, nervous as well, but yeah, it should be good.
Yeah.
Crack. It's a good course. It's a friendly event. It's not too scary either.
I'm very glad you said that,
It
because
is.
my
You'll be
nervous
all right,
excitement
Paul,
is
to be honest.
veering
Don't
more
take it
towards
too-
the nervous.
Yeah. You've got to enjoy it.
We will
Just
see.
enjoy it.
Yeah.
Just ride it, enjoy it. You'll be fine.
Right. Yes, it's part of my psychological desensitisation.
Oh, okay, is it?
It is, yeah.
Putting yourself out your comfort zone.
Very much so.
Really?
Yes.
Oh. You'll be fine, Paul. I've got full faith.
Let Peter take the mask off.
No. I'm going to put
Especially one bit, just a little bit of a downhill.
Yep.
It's just an immediate right. You can't see the tape because of the sun and the trees and stuff.
Are we going to have a bit of a, team pep talk?
Yeah.
Ride fast, don't crash, right?
Jack wants an easy day. He just wants to sit in the sun.
Yeah. I'm here to sunbathe.
Right, you ready then, Peter? Yeah, your bike's
Where's your
there.
bike?
You got
Come
your
on,
helmet
Peter, get your stuff together.
You're on the right bike when the old head's got one.
Go on then.
Right, where's
Off
Paul?
on the recon.
hang on, Al. You're sticking the course for you.
I love this bike.
Yeah. Oh, good start.
You can sell it to people. I like it.
Right, that's all the riders on the warm-up lap, so looks like I'll be making myself comfortable for a bit.
I was thinking about getting some wet.
Enjoying some of the sun.
I reckon I can easily drop 2 kilos off of it. How was it, Peter?
It'll do.
Turned before an uphill though, and I was just good.
How was it, Natalie?
Jesus Christ. It was brutal.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it the hilly bit or the
I
riding on
think
grass?
it's the scarier downhill
Yeah.
through the woodland. And there's like a bit where it's quite a sharp turn, you have to go a bit up and then like drop and sweep round, and I was like, I had to get off.
Well, just do what you can. Just get round.
Yeah,
Doesn't
that's
matter
what
how
I'm
fast you go. Just yeah.
Might keep it a bit. As I said, it's supposed to be beginner friendly as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, I think that's what it is. Whether people were like, oh, that's a bit.
It's at the limit.
Okay, right, so we're now rolling. There we go. No, good. I'm glad I had that this morning.
I've actually got racing FOMO. I think it's just being around everyone and sort of seeing all the different riders and stuff. But it's quite a unique race, this, because it's a 3-hour race. So most people ride it in pairs, but you can also ride it solo, so you ride it in pairs and take turns. And I always find that makes for like quite good fun racing. So yeah. So I am just now going to go to the coffee place and have a little beverage.
Don't need to touch, kiss, do a fist bump, the zone, the rider's in the zone, your partner can head off. Grab a drink, mechanical
So we've just got the rider briefing right now, and then the first riders will be ready to head off.
Go on, Ratae! Go on, Peter! Up, Johnny!
In beer, yes.
So what's going on here, Jack? We've got the
small
first casualty.
No, it's just some. It's just not got knocked. Probably won't get it out of the car. It's nothing to worry about.
Whose bike is it?
Paul Eden's.
Oh, okay.
So yeah. It's just a bit more tension on those brake cables and the VFBs.
Just introducing Jack to you guys. This is Jack, and he's won our club Domestic Shield several years in a row now, with very good reason, because he looks after everyone, sorts out everyone's bikes. All round good guy, aren't you, Jack?
Thank you.
Yeah, we all went to Morgan 24/7.
All right, having a chat. Go on, Mark! Whip, 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 whip!
Go on, Chris. Go on,
Go on, Chris! Go on, Chris!
Go on, John! Go on, John! Go on! Go on!
Johnny.
Go on, Johnny! Whoop, 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 whoop!
John, mother, mate.
Come on, Peter! You're not riding.
Go on.
You're not riding to the shops now. Put some effort in, for God's sake.
Come on, Peter's coming.
He's catching you.
Come on, Peter! Race again! Race again!
We will catch him. Look at him go.
Oh, the excitement levels are just next level. Waiting to see Natalie.
And Chris is like, what the?
Say this event is great fun. There's lots of heckling, shouting, good fun with the team.
It really is.
You like the course, don't you, Mark?
Yeah, that's fantastic.
What's good about it?
It's quite quick. Tricky, the tight sections aren't too slow.
Yeah.
Bit rooty, but it's just fast, mainly all the way around.
You look like you're buzzing every time
I
you
am,
come
I
on.
loved it.
Oh,
Can't
love
wait to get
that.
out again.
Love that.
Yeah. Well,
Full enthusiasm.
Chris.
The cannibal!
It's over. I heard a bell.
Not yet. Well done, Peter.
Yeah.
Corking.
Well done for the overtake.
Yeah, it's nice.
Nice work, Peter. How was that?
It was okay. I think my brownies are making me feel a bit sick actually.
Go on, Paul! Go on! Up, 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 up!
Go on, Pete! How are you?
Yeah.
Brian Botzer. Hello.
How are we doing?
We've got Natalie coming.
Here she comes. We've got Natalie coming, everyone.
Yeah, go on.
Go on, Natalie! Go on! Up, 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 up!
The downhill scary bit as well.
Well done.
Keep up the drama, Natalie.
Downhill, I'm fine.
Well done.
Uphill, not
So we've got Natalie and Paul who've just come off the course.
How did you find that? Wasn't it?
It was interesting.
No, we didn't get to show
Because I could tank past you on the downhill, but uphill I couldn't get near you on the back.
Come on, Peter. Try not having a picnic this time. Come on. Put some effort in.
Just chuck it, I got it.
Thank you, Lucy.
It's all right.
Some people everybody was terribly friendly because they kept on asking me if I was all right. And then I thought, no, you're saying on your right, aren't you?
Oh, on your right.
Sorry on that.
Are you having a great time?
No.
Are you having the time of your life?
All the time, and it's always no. I'm like, why do you actually cycle?
It's bad. Not bad.
Are you enjoying yourself?
No, it's good. It's a nice course.
Yeah?
It's a nice course.
What's the atmosphere like out on the course?
No, it's good. You know, you sort of bump into a few people that you haven't seen for a while, and
Don't tell me you're having a chat out there.
well, just a few words. You know,
Flirting.
I've seen, you know, Sean Campling, Simon Askham, who else? Nick Kershaw.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
Pamela.
you caught up with a few friends.
Pamela from Colville Wheelers.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, it's
Feeling going into her last lap mid-race.
I mean, I don't know how I'm going to get round, to be fair. The last one was bad. I really don't know how I'm going to get round this one. I'm hoping Johnny does 2 laps for me.
I think he will.
I don't know if he will. I don't know.
You question your life choices?
Yeah, I might have to walk quite a lot this one.
I mean, how bad is it?
It's a lot. It's just the uphill bits. It's just really, really hard going.
Yeah.
It's such a heavy bike.
And the dustiness.
Have I got a moustache? Do I look pretty?
You've just got, like, where your glasses go, like a line of mud there and a line of mud there, and you don't care anymore. Oh, Johnny!
Such a team player.
Come back! We're now at the stage where we're in the last laps, so a lot of our riders are really tired now. Johnny's just said that he'll do an extra lap so Natalie doesn't have to rise. She's really pleased about that. It's just a really good fun event, you know, it's really inclusive. You've got people having like quite a serious race at the front, and then at the back kind of people just getting rounds, and that's what's really good about local cyclocross. So yeah, all good.
Keep it going, leaders.
She's feeling great.
I'm ready for this.
You got this, Nat. You got this.
Just look at her go.
Do you want to fight?
Look at her go.
yeah, he would have come up.
Athlete in action.
Come on, look keen.
Get your
Look
tricky
keen.
arse.
Yeah. How you feeling?
Oh, ask me when I come back.
You can't wait for this, can
Here we
you?
go.
Go.
Got the aim for next year, what? Get the biggest team we can.
Come on, Lucy, let's
She's having the time of her life.
come on,
Lantern,
give her your
Rouge.
best put down.
Yay!
Go on, Natalie!
Let's come along and high five us, doesn't she?
Yeah, we should do that on this side.
Oh yes! And that's what cross is all about. Right guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.